Hi students, good morning everyone. I hope you are good. Okay. So in the earlier classes we have finished about unreal past. That means wish plus subject plus past. Yes. So today we are going to learn about letter writing. How should you write a letter? See, you will write a letter to your school asking, you will write a letter to your headmaster or your teacher, your class teacher, anyone asking a leave. Yes, asking a leave you will write, asking a permission you will write, and also you will write for a friend. Yes, so letter writing is very important in your life, that you have to know the pattern of letter writing. So today in this lesson you have in your syllabus the letter writing is included. So you have to learn here how to write a letter. Yes, I think most of you guys know how to write letter. Yes, yes. So we have informal and formal letters. Informal and formal. So informal letters and formal letters. Informal and formal. So what is informal and what is formal? See, coming to formal, what kind of letters will be included in the formal? See, I am going to say. That means writing to your principal, writing to your principal or your teacher or to editor. See, like writing to editor letters you will get in 10th class. So you don't take any, don't worry about this map. Okay, informal letters. What are informal letters? That means writing letter to your friends, relatives. So these all are comes under informal letters. Yes, have you understand now? What is it? So today we are going to learn about informal letter. Okay, informal letter. That means writing a letter to friend. So you are writing a letter to your friend. Yes. So here is something given for you. The question: write a letter to your friend, inviting him or her to your village to spend summer holidays. So here we have to write a letter to invite your friend for your village for summer vacation, to spend summer in your village. Yes. So you should write a letter inviting your friend to come to your village. Yes. So let's see how will you write the letter. Yes. Yeah. Coming to, see, every letter includes what? The first thing is place. The second thing is date. So these two are very important in letter writing. If you forget, you lose the marks. Okay. And punctuations like comma, full stop are very important in the letter writing. Okay. So see, for informal letter, this is an informal. Okay. So for friend, how should you write? This is the pattern, okay? Don't write for all the same things. This is for friend. Please make a note. For friend, you have to write like this. So the place will be, what is this? Meerpet. Okay? Meerpet. So you have to write on this part. This side. See, left side you have to write place and date, and right side I'll say. So first we'll write place and next you have to write date. So what is the date? 28th. 28th, 9, 20. So this is the date, full stop. Meerpet, comma and date, full stop. Okay. So in this line, see the line I am following. In this line, after below, just below this, here in this part, in the right side. In the right side, what should you write? Here, what should you write? Dear friend. You have to write the name of your friend. Who is your friend? XYZ. Let's think XYZ is your friend. So, dear friend. Dear XYZ. For friend, you have to use dear. Yes. For friend, you have to use the word dear. And for principal and for all, respectable sir. Yes, respectable sir. You have to use in that way. For friends, you have to use dear. So dear XYZ. Here place and date. Here name. Dear name. Okay. So next, starting with the letter. First, see, letter has three parts of a body. Three parts of a body. Letter has three parts of a body. The first part will be introduction part. That means you will firstly you will wish. That means how are you? First you will start with how are you? I hope you are fine there. I am fine here. So the starting word should be that only. How are you? I hope you are fine. I hope you are fine. So, okay, the first thing will be, I am fine. So, how are you? I am fine. I hope the same from you. See, this should be the first line of your lesson. Your letter, okay? I am fine. I hope you are fine there. Or else you can write, I am fine. I hope the same with you. You can write that also, okay? So then, you can ask in this first paragraph, you can ask about yourself. That means your personal things can be asked here. Like well-wisher. See, how are your exams going on? How are your studies going on? I hope you are studying well there. And you can say, if you want to ask about annual day celebrations, so you said about annual day celebrations, no, have they done well? Like that you can ask. So that part will be included in the part 1. Okay? In the first paragraph. Yes? So the first paragraph should be minimum 2 to 3 lines. That's it. Not more than that. The letter should not be very lengthy. Okay? It should not be short and sweet. Okay? So the first paragraph should be 2 to 3 lines. Yes? And coming to the second paragraph. In this second paragraph, you will discuss the major point. That means why you are writing the letter. Why you are writing the letter. I have given you the topic. Now why you are writing the letter? You are inviting your friend for the summer vacation. Yes. So how will you write means, as you know it well, I am living here along with my grandparents and my parents. So what you say means, as you know, I am living here with grandparents and parents. So I love this village. I am enjoying a lot in this village. I wanted you to enjoy this village also. So you can come to this village. I am inviting you to come here. My grandparents also were very lovely. They are saying you to invite you. Come here. Let's enjoy. So you can write these points in the second paragraph. Yes. In the second paragraph, you have to write about the topic. That means, what is the topic? Inviting your friend for the summer vacation to your village. Yes. So you have to brief out. That means it should be a little small paragraph. More than this. Yes. I mean it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 5 lines is enough. Okay. It should be 5 lines. Or it may be 5 to 7 lines. Yes. But don't give all the unnecessary things in the letter. Okay. So what you wanted to say, just say it out. Okay. That means you are inviting your friend for a summer vacation. So you have to say, as you know, I am in my grandparents' house. Yes. So they are very lovely. I am enjoying here a lot. I am inviting you to here to enjoy like me. So my grandparents are very lovely. So they are also inviting you. You can enjoy a lot here and you can know more things here in the village and you can know the village environment here. So that's it. Don't make unnecessary things, okay? Don't make unnecessary things in the letter. Yes, we have finished with the second paragraph. And let's come into third paragraph. What will be there? The third paragraph is conclusion. Okay? It is conclusion. So, what will you give the conclusion? I hope you will come to the village. I hope the positive response. I hope you will come to the village. So, we can see in the village. We can see in the village and we can enjoy a lot. Okay? Like that you will write in this part. And what you say? Convey my regards. Convey my regards to your parents or your little puppy. Okay? Likewise, you will give the conclusion. So, you will give the conclusion. So, as it is informal letter, no need to mention any thanking you. Okay? Because it is an informal. That means you are writing for a friend. The main thing is you have to write in this part only the day, the place and the date mentioned with comma and full stop. Yes. And dear, what is your friend name? You have to mention comma. And the letter will have three parts. The body of the letter will have 3 parts. The first part will include I am fine. I hope the same from you. Yeah, like that. And I have said, you have to include 2 to 3 points. And the third point is the major points. That means what you wanted to say in this letter. You are inviting your friend for a summer vacation. So you have to say that my grandparents are, as you know, I am in the grandparents' house. And I am inviting you to come here and enjoy a lot with me. Like that you have to write here up to 5 to 7 points. And here the last thing will be conclusion. As I have said you, convey my regards. And you say, I hope the positive response. Or I hope you will come and you will enjoy with me. We both will make our memorable days. Like that you can write. So this should not be lengthy. See, this should not be lengthy, this paragraph. Like this only it should be. That means 2 to 3 lines. Yes, 2 to 3 lines it should be. So after this, you have to see, I am rubbing, don't get confused. So after this, here in this part, down of it, don't get confused, okay? Down of it, here you will get address on the envelope. Address on the envelope. And you have to draw a small box here. Okay. And you have to give the address. For example, I'll say you to whom we are writing XYZ. To XYZ and place. Yes. Street, place, comma. Here, beside to you have to not use anything. Address on the envelope. Address on the envelope to XYZ, comma, place, street, comma, and district. Full stop, okay? And here, actually immediately after finishing the letter, see, you think you will finish here. See, you think if you finish here is your last line of your letter. So immediately after finishing the letter, this part you have to write yours lovingly. See, the major mistake you will do here is don't keep any small letter here. If you keep the small letter, the marks will be cut. Okay, so don't keep any small letters. Don't use any small letter here. So the Y should be capital and don't use any apostrophes here. This is wrong. You have to write like this only. Okay, are you understanding? And here you have to keep comma. After that, X, Y, Z. Who is X, Y, Z here? Your friend name. Okay, yours lovingly. Yours lovingly and your name. Y. Let's think Y. Okay. Yours lovingly, your name. And here, address on the envelope to your friend. Who is your friend? XYZ your friend. Place, district. Okay, this is the address on the envelope. So, see the line here. This is your last line of your letter. Yeah, this is your last line of your letter. And immediately that side you have to write yours lovingly. And immediately after this you have to write on this side address on the envelope. This is the proper way to write a letter. Yes. In the Zoom class, I will explain you very brief and I will show you one model also so that you can understand. Yes, you can understand. Okay, students, please go through it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Zoom class. Okay. Then thank you.